Our customers are delighted when they find out that we offer do-it-yourself custom closets. DIY should not be complicated. They pre-label all of the panels, pre-assemble all of the functional hardware.
Some of the things that sets Closets to Go apart from some of the other closet companies out there is the fact that we do the pre-assembly of all the component parts so that you don't have to. These are all things that we do for you, so you really just have to open the package up, identify the parts. Again, it makes it so simple that you don't have to figure out the assembly process, because again, we go ahead and take care of that for you.
Closets to Go takes the extra steps in their pre-assembly process to ensure that it's a fun and rewarding experience. We take the guesswork out of it.
The bottom line is we want the experience on your side to be a pleasurable one.
When they hear how significant the savings are, that's a nice added surprise as well. Custom designs meet DIY only at Closets to Go. Closets to Go, where you can dream big but never have to pay California prices.